Welcome to the solution brief video for the Mira Encrypted Traffic Orchestrator, also known as the ETO. In this video, I'll be going through how a next-generation firewall or NGFW filtering capability could benefit from ETO TLS decryption in an inline mode to detect, filter, and if needed, block any malicious attempts to send confidential data outside of your network. For our demo today, we are going to use Palo Alto Virtual NGFW, also known as PAN VM or PAN. However, it's good to know that the ETO in its physical or VM format will support all NGFW solutions. So let's talk about connectivity. The ETO will be set up inline in front of the PAN. The traffic will go through the ETO first, where it will be decrypted before the decrypted flows complete its journey to the PAN for inspection. So the PAN can have the final say in which connections will be allowed or rejected. And finally, the traffic will be passed to the ETO again to be re-encrypted and sent to its destination. It's good to know that most NGFWs do have decryption capabilities, but performance could be a big issue. So by offloading the work of decryption to the ETO, NGFWs will have more resources available to focus on other security tasks. This can improve the overall performance of the NGFW. Additionally, utilizing the ETO for decryption means that the traffic only needs to be decrypted once and can then be fed simultaneously to multiple security and visibility tools. Now let's navigate to the Palo Alto Web UI. We'll first go to Objects, then scroll down to find Custom Objects, and finally, Data Patterns. Here you will see two different data patterns that I've created for this demo. The first pattern identifies social security numbers in any file or document, while the second pattern identifies documents containing the word confidential. To use these data patterns for filtering or blocking traffic, click on Security Profiles, then Data Filtering. You will find a data filtering profile named Test that I created earlier. Within this profile, we can select the data patterns, specify the actions to take when sensitive data is detected, and define the scope of the data filtering profile. One last step in the PAN configuration is to go to Policies and select the current security policy in place. Then, under Actions and Profile Settings, we will change the profile settings type to Profiles. And scroll down to Data Filtering. We'll choose the profile Test. And of course, we will need to commit the change. Now let's go to our ETO, where we will first test this setup without decrypting. In other words, after we activate this bypass segment, the ETO will be just passing the traffic as it is, with no decryption to the PAN. And in our test client, if we try to upload these two files that have SSN, or social security numbers, and confidential data as an attachment to our email, nothing will be able to stop us from doing so. But if we go back to the ETO and activate the decrypt segment, the ETO will decrypt the traffic and send it to the PAN in a decrypted format, which will change the outcome of the second test. If we repeat the same thing, we will be unable to upload the files, and instead we will receive a message stating that the file cannot be uploaded. Finally, in the solution brief demo, we have explored the Mira ETO and its integration with the PAN VM. The key benefits of using the ETO with an NGFW include improved performance by offloading decryption tasks, enhanced network security through the filtering and blocking of confidential data, and the ability to focus NGFW resources on other critical security functions. Thank you for watching this demo. For any other guide videos, please check out our channel page.